Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. First of all, Squad, I want to apologize. I have been MIA. I've been working 80 and 90-hour work weeks, and it is absolutely insane. So I have not had time to edit any of my videos. Today, I did just want to bring you a quick unboxing since I included these type of pens in my giveaway. So this is a package that I ordered from Black & Blue. You'll see her name on the screen, and I will also put her link in the description below. You guys, if you want any of these pens, and you will be obsessed. She absolutely blings. Oh my god, she's blinging so many things. I am absolutely obsessed with them myself. I want everything blinged now. But anyways, this is the second package that I ordered from her. I didn't do a video on the first package because I actually opened it up and started using one of the pens, and then things just got away from me. So then I ended up packing them and putting them in boxes to send to my charm sisters. These are inserts that I asked for because I got colored pens and I wanted to actually make them all black ink, so she included those extras. You will see from this I actually got 6 pins in this order, but one of them's already missing because it went to my bestie. So let me go ahead and struggle, you guys. First of all, when I shot this video, I had already done my birthday nails, and if you have seen them, they're so long for me, and I was struggling to open this package. But nevertheless, let's get into these amazing pens. Oh my gosh, you guys, the artistry, the talent that she has to bling these things out. Oh my gosh, look at all that blingy. Oh my god, these stones are so shiny. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. I know that you guys can sort of see it on the video, but trust me, in person it's even more beautiful. I again am absolutely obsessed with these. I love the way the pattern turned out. I just can't even not say enough about them. Now, she does do other patterns, so if you guys want a pin, make sure that you hit her up, let her know what you're wanting, and then she can tell you if she can do it and how much it will cost. These are the other 3 that I got. Again, the pattern on all of these is all the same, and then I just got them in individual charm colors. Look at how the pattern matches up. Oh my gosh, you guys, I will tell you that the rest of this video is probably just me playing with the pens because I'm absolutely obsessed with them. The way they shine in the light, the way that they move, the way that I really just, look, I bought these for the sisters, but I will tell you that I really just want to keep them all just so that I can look at them, because who doesn't want to look at the beautiful shiny pens? Oh my god, look. They're absolutely amazing. I love them so much. Erica, thank you again. You outdid everything that I was wanting in these pens. They're absolutely beautiful. I can't even tell you. Like, again, I am so obsessed. Look at how the pattern matches up when I threw them down. Oh my god. So you will see me go like for a little bit just playing with the pens. But again, I just wanted to make sure. Yes, I was so excited. You see me? Don't judge me, guys. Okay. So then I'm going to bring in the first pattern that I got for the other pins. This one was also a rainbow, but we did it just a lot more bling and the regular AB bling, and then the rainbow was in the centerpiece. And so as you turn it, you'll see all the colors that come along. Of course, it's teal and black and pink and green and blue and purple, because those are all the charm colors. And so anyways, look at how amazing they look. You guys, please do not hesitate to have her bling something for you, because I'm telling you, she is an absolute magician in the bling. You can tell that she really loves and takes pleasure and pride in her work. I'm absolutely obsessed. Now I'm just going to keep playing with these pens, you guys. Again, make sure that you hit her up if you want to have some of these bling pens, or she's blinging dice. And who knows what else she's going to be blinging. But you guys, make sure that you hit her up. Erica, again, thank you so very much. I love them. I love them. I am absolutely obsessed. I'm going to just let this video play out, and you guys are going to get to see all the bling as I go for the day. You guys, I promise that I do have more videos in store. I am just working to create time in order for me to actually edit those videos, and a lot of them are going to be unboxings coming soon, because you guys, I have stuff piled up. that I have not been able to create the unboxings for because of work. It has been so super hectic, and I'm hopefully that is coming to an end, so you guys will actually get to see me more often. All right, thank you guys so much. Until next time, please stay blessed. Love you guys.